Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is a Tennant T5 auto scrubber. Now in this video series, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to properly maintain your equipment to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, inside your recovery tank is your ball float. Now if it's damaged or worn or anything like that and you need to replace it, very simple. Lift open your recovery tank lid, grab your ball float, just pull it down just like that. Now get your new one. This is a brand new one. Get your new one, put it back on, just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.